Good evening everybody. Today we shall see about functions and methods in Python. What is a function? A function is a subprogram which will perform a certain task, and if it is called by a class or any object, then it becomes a method. So what is a function? A function is a subprogram which will be called by another function which performs a specific task. What is the use of the function is, a function is used in a manner that if you want to repeat a set of statements with a different values, then we use this particular function. That is very much there in Python also. How you can write is, there is a keyword called as a def, function name and parameters, p1, p2 up to pn colon, you have to specify colon. That is one of the simple definition of a function. And the next coming statements which are included in a function are with the next indentation. It is not in the same line, it comes in the next indentation, and that particular lines also will be executed when a function is being called with a specific set of parameters. And if you observe here, I have written a sample function def sum a comma b are parameters, and colon c is equal to a plus b, print c and return c. Print c means if I pass the parameters called as print sum of 10 comma 20, 10 will be passed to a, 20 will be passed to b. And if you observe here, in this function I have not mentioned any return type or the parameter type, nothing I have written. This is a very simple and subtle programming technique where you are not passing any specific data type. So how can you do that is def sum a comma b, c is equal to a plus b, print c and return c. So if I pass 10 comma 20, it will be printing 30, and once again c will be assigned to x. Why? Because I have given the print sum to 10 comma 20, it will print, if you give print of 10 comma 20, it will print 30. If you assign the particular variable, then it will be printing that particular value by giving 30. The same as observed here in the floating data type also, 1.5 and 10.75. The final result will be 12.25. So that is the basic definition and introduction of a function. And what is the concept here in Python is, a function is the one which does not return only one value, but it returns multiple values. How can you return multiple values is, you can specify it in the function by return a comma b comma c. If a, b, c are variables, then a, b, c will be returned back, and you can store in multiple variables. Either you store it in x, or you store it in y, or store it in z. That particular values will be returned back, x comma y comma z, where a is assigned to x, b is assigned to y, c is assigned to z. So this is the methodology which you specify it in a function. Let us consider a small example in this particular user-defined functions. I have a function called as definition display. Display function I am taking as a parameter, return hi function. So what is the function definition message how are you? How are you will be returning. So if I call display message, message will return hello, how are you, and hi. So the total string will be returned back, and you will get the message called as hi, how are you will be printed in this particular specific set of statement. This is a brief introduction about function. Function is the one which does not only return particular value, it may return a value or may not return a value. Not only a single value, it will return multiple values also in Python programming. So this is the simple introduction of user-defined functions. So with this, we'll move ahead with the next advanced topic in functions in the next coming videos. Thank you.